Introducing Malatabaco, Solanum erianthum of the family Solanaceae. Malatabaco is a perennial shrub native to various regions in Central and South America. It thrives in tropical and subtropical climates, presenting an aesthetic appeal with its lush foliage and vibrant flowers. Malatabaco can reach heights of approximately 2 to 4 meters, making it a striking presence in any botanical setting. Malatabaco serves various ecological functions, including providing habitat and food for wildlife. Its flowers attract a multitude of pollinators, including bees and butterflies, which are essential for maintaining healthy ecosystems. The plant also shields soil from erosion, fostering biodiversity in its surroundings. While Malatabaco is not considered edible for humans, it holds several beneficial uses. Its ornamental value makes it a favored choice for landscaping, while its relatively low maintenance needs appeal to both newbies and experienced gardeners. Furthermore, the leaves and stems have been used in traditional medicine in various cultures for their therapeutic properties.